So in this video, we're going to be talking about elevation and how does that affect a good cup of coffee, a good specialty cup of coffee. Elevation plays a huge role in good coffee. The higher the elevation, the more complexity you get out of your coffee. The more of those very interesting notes. It could be a citrus note, it could be a chocolate note. And then it also has to do with the body of the coffee. It's more of a balanced body. When you get into those lower elevation coffees, then you get like a flat, almost like what I would like to call that, a boring kind of cup of coffee. So when you refer to a coffee as a high elevation coffee, you're typically talking about a coffee that's higher than 900 meters above sea level. Our coffee in our farm, we are at 1,200 meters above sea level. Now, don't get this confused though. Some roasters make the mistake of calling elevation altitude. There's a difference between elevation and altitude. Elevation refers to sea level. Altitude refers to the surface. So that's the difference. Elevation is sea level and altitude is surface. So what we care about is elevation, not altitude. Thank you for watching this.